Hi, what's up everyone? In this video, we are going to talk about the top best robot vacuum for garage you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Garages are frequently used as a storage area for tools, equipment, and other trash. It can be difficult to keep a garage clean, especially when it comes to cleaning up sawdust, mud, and other debris. Robot vacuums, fortunately, have grown in popularity in recent years, making it easier to keep garages clean without having to do the work manually. However, with so many alternatives on the market, determining which robot hoover is best suited for the task can be difficult. In this video, we'll look at some of the top garage robot vacuums, examining their features and benefits to help you make an informed decision. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5. Eufy by Anker, BoostIQ RoboVac 11S. The Eufy RoboVac 11s is a low-cost robot vacuum cleaner with a scratch-resistant tempered glass cover. The device has a simple exterior design and controls, including a start/stop button on top and the primary power switch on the bottom. It communicates with the user through the color of its LED indicator, and its LED light indicates whether it is charging, cleaning, or fully charged. The Eufy 11S RoboVac is equipped with 5 cleaning modes: auto cleaning, spot cleaning, edge cleaning, single room cleaning, and manual cleaning. Its BoostIQ feature boosts suction power when it detects a need for it, which is commonly on medium/high pile carpets or in major messes. The equipment earned 97% in overall cleaning testing, but struggled with sugar on carpets. It has the same dustbin capacity as its predecessor, the Eufy RoboVac 11, at 0.6 L. Pros of Eufy by Anker, BoostIQ RoboVac 11S. Comes with 5 different cleaning modes. Excellent cleaning performance on all floor types. Easy to control via remote control or smartphone. Cons of Eufy by Anker, BoostIQ RoboVac 11S. Running on max mode has a significantly shorter runtime. Lacks digital mapping for advanced navigation. No compatible apps for smartphone-based controls. On number 4. Roborock S4 Max. The Roborock S4 Max robot vacuum is a low-cost solution that balances performance, features, and price. The $429 vacuum won the Tom's Guide Awards 2021 Smart Home Devices category for Best Robot Vacuum overall. Fast mapping, single-room cleaning, and intelligent carpet detection are among the latest features of the Roborock S4 Max. The Hoover features a simple, unobtrusive design with a flip-up canopy that hides the dustbin, Wi-Fi indicator light, and cleaning tool. The Hoover gets an overall cleaning performance score of 96.25, which is on par with the more expensive iRobot Roomba S9 and better than the Roborock S6 Max V. The Hoover can be purchased at Amazon. Pros of Roborock S4 Max. Fast mapping. Plus excellent cleaner. Plus quiet vacuum. Cons of Roborock S4 Max. Room dividing could be better. On number 3. Roborock S7. The Roborock S7 is a hybrid robot hoover and mop with good overall performance, quick mapping, and a customizable software. The S7, which will be released in March 2021, is clever enough to identify carpet and pull its mop up, offering a fascinating solution to a long-standing problem. When carpet is recognized, the mop automatically lifts up 5 mm, 0.197 inches, using its acoustic mopping mechanism, numerous scrub settings, and Viberize technology. The Roborock S7 features a concentric ripple design, curving light, and studded rubber fin brush roll to give the bot a luxury appearance. The S7 is presently $649 on Amazon and $599 on Walmart. In the Tom's Guide Awards 2021 for Smart Home Gadgets, it received a highly recommended nod for Best Robot Vacuum. Pros of Roborock S7. Accurate carpet detection. Plus fast mapping. Plus auto-raising mop works well. Cons of Roborock S7. Dividing spaces in app can be glitchy. Mop pad can catch on area rugs. On number 2. Shark AV2501S. Shark has a wide selection of Hoover cleaners, including upright, handheld, cordless and robot vacuums. The Shark AV2501S iRobot vacuum is a reasonably priced robot vacuum with home assistant integration and an easy-to-use app for scheduling cleaning, troubleshooting and avoiding specific areas. A laser navigation technology guides the Hoover, mapping and cleaning in neat rows while avoiding obstructions and stairs. The Hoover includes a self-cleaning brush and 3 suction settings, including an ultra-clean mode for thorough cleaning. The Shark AV2501S has a battery life of 120 minutes and a recharge station that doubles as a trash can that can contain up to a month's worth of trash. HEPA filters in the Hoover catch dirt and pollen. While the Hoover is 18 pounds, 13.7 by 13.7 inches, and 4 inches tall, it may struggle to reach under some pieces of furniture. Despite being less expensive than other competitors, the Shark AV2501S iRobot vacuum boasts exceptional capabilities, making it a fantastic investment for anyone who needs assistance with household cleaning. On number 1. iRobot Roomba i7. The iRobot Roomba i7 is a mid-range smart vacuum cleaner that cleans hard surfaces, carpets and rugs thoroughly. It contains 2 brushes that stay in constant touch with the floor, an edge-sweeping brush, and a 3-stage cleaning technique that removes pet hair and allergens. The i7 can be operated via a smartphone app, Alexa, or Google Assistant, and it includes a charging base that it returns to in docks and after cleaning. The device is appropriate for busy houses and can be used for weeks before the Roomba's container needs to be empty. It has a good-sized bin and a clean foundation for automated emptying. The i7 is simple to set up and use, and it maps your home after the first few cleans. The Hoover cleaner can also avoid colliding with obstructions thanks to an invisible border technology. After a month of testing, a busy household gave the i7 a 9 out of 10 grade. So guys, this was the video about the best robot vacuum for garage. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.